Do the difficult things while they are easy, and do great things while they are small. A journey of 1,000 miles begin in a single step. Hi everyone, I am Mike Daniel Reyes, and you can call me Mike, Mikey, or Ike. Any from the choices will do. I also believe that life and growth begins a slow and quiet start. The start of your journey that you need to go through in order to build yourself to the best version it can be. I am hoping to gain a deeper understanding about how our society works and build a wide perspective with the help of the knowledge from the philosophers. Dahil totoo nga naman, magtatanong ka, sa iisang mundo at iisang realidad, bakit magkakaiba tayo ng pananaw at karanasan sa buhay? Para tayong mga hibla ng sinulid na unti-unting hinahabi upang mabuo ang isang pagkakakilanlan. And this is one of the small steps to become more aware, more understanding, and a responsible member of a society.